Okay, talk. I know you had something to do with this. Now, where's Lilo? Talk! I know you can.
Okay.
Where's Lilo?
Lilo.
Now, all your washing is up.
You're under arrest. Freedom is rights.
Listen carefully.
Hello, Galactic Command. Experiment 626 is in custody. We'll wait right here.
Don't interact with it.
Where's Lilo?
Oh? What?
Lilo. My sister.
Sorry. We do not know anyone by this,
Lilo! She's a little girl this big. She has black hair and brown eyes, and she hangs around with that thing!
We know her.
Bring her back.
Oh, we can't do that. That would be misuse of galactic resources.
See, problem is, we're just here for him.
So she's gone?
Look at the bright side. You won't have to yell at anyone anymore.
Out among the stars I see, way beyond the moon. In my silver ship I see, dream it ended too soon. Now I know exactly who I am and what I'm here for. You are a toy you can't fly. And I will go sailing no more. But no, can't be true. I could fly if I wanted to, like a bird in the sky. If I believed I could fly, yeah,
To infinity and beyond.
boys don't fly anymore.
No! What did you say?
Nani. Family means nobody
gets left behind.
or forgotten. Yeah. Hey, Jambukagabli!
What? After all you put me through, you expect me to help you just like that? Just like that? Fine.
5? You're doing what he says.
He's very persuasive.
Persuasive? What exactly are we doing?
Rescue.
We're gonna get Lilo?
I told you, my dear. I told you. Toys don't fly. Action figures don't fly. Dolls don't fly. And you can fly. You should have listened to me in the first place. But no, you deliberately disobeyed me.
You're right. I'm sorry, Woody. I can't fly. I am just a toy. But I can't.
Finally, you admit it. You're a toy. If you realized you were a toy to begin with, we wouldn't have gotten into this mess. See you later. My dear.